Okay, so I was really bad at filming before and afters, so we're just gonna jump into it. Time lapse, go! Alright, welcome voiceover Emily. So this is where we started with the garage. This is like the best angle and best before video clip that I have. As you can see, it's quite the mess. Fun fact, there's 2 tables under that mountain of stuff. I was very motivated to get things done because I needed a workshop to do art and YouTube more full-time, and recording like I did in this video helped me stay focused. Stage 1 was just taking everything out of the garage, and we did this early February. It was cold, it was raining, it was snowing. My mom usually wanted to try to get the garage done in a day. This was not gonna be a day project. This took actual months to do. It took like weeks to just get everything out and sort through stuff. It was a very long project, but I'm glad we did it. We decided to take down this pegboard because we weren't using it, and I had to use my Dremel because the screw was stripped. I've never in my life been so upset and angry. I cursed like a sailor trying to put these shelves together. It was not pretty. It was not fun. This was so frustrating. They did not work at all. We got them free from somebody, so it's fine, but oh my goodness, the rage, the anger, the angst that came out of me. And we had somebody else come put them up, and they still weren't working. So we took them down, and we got these wonderful, beautiful husky shelves from Home Depot. It was $200, which was an investment. This was an investment for us, but it was so worth it. They were so easy to put up. They're big. 10 out of 10. In love with my husky shelves. If you're doing a garage reno, get yourself a couple of these. We did it! We did it! We got the shelving in! We did it! We did it! It's so wonderful!
You're so beautiful.
Like,
You don't even.
so right here, I'm just preparing to put some stuff back in this back corner, and the things that are in this corner are things that we rarely touch but need to know where they are, like holiday decorations. And you'll see later, we make this space, we continue to use this space as like sheet material storage, and we moved this wardrobe in front, and it worked out really well. I'm really happy with that. Now you see me and my mom putting up these shop lights. We got them off of Facebook Marketplace. So wonderful. They are extremely bright, lightweight, LED. 10 out of 10 recommend these lights. So easy to install, barely an inconvenience. And they were so bright. We got lights! We got lights! It's so beautiful! It's... Woo! We ended up putting a total of 6 lights in here. Honestly, just the one was an improvement, but 6 evens the lighting out completely throughout the garage. It's just so nice being in there. Their daylight spectrum, a cure for my seasonal depression. It's wonderful. Recommend. Recommend. Also, here's one of the tables I was talking about. We can see it! Here I'm just sorting through all of my art materials, craft materials, building stuff, so I can use it in our freshly refurbished workshop garage.
Cool. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't like who I've become. I don't know what to say for myself.
That was my mom's collection of fabrics over the years, and that took a good week to sort through. But that went into the armoire that we then moved in front, like I talked about earlier. It's a lot more manageable now. And to the left, you can see this giant work table. We called it the Mammoth. We got rid of it. It wasn't helpful to us at all like we wanted it to be or needed it to be. But getting that out helped so much improve our garage. It just doesn't really show up on camera how big of a problem it was. So I just wanted to bring that up. Donation number 2. Many donations, so many bags of trash. Anyway, what I have here is my IKEA Pax wardrobe. I wanted a wardrobe specifically to store my art that I'm going to sell. That's not the state it's in right now. It's holding a lot of stuff that it shouldn't be holding, so I need to clean that out again. But I chose the Pax wardrobe specifically because I wanted the trays, the sliding trays, because I thought it looked like a museum storage cabinet, and those are expensive, and this was cheap by comparison, and I like the aesthetic of museum storage. So my phone is kind of low battery right now, so instead of doing a time lapse, I'm just going to explain what I'm doing. So these have materials and tools in them, so I'm going to sort these. I'll definitely need more containers, but into tools, materials, and such and whatnot. So that's what I'm doing. And there we have it. I have everything labeled by what they are, so I can get what I need easily. And it's cool how like each bin has their own kind of aesthetic to them. And then all my clay tools, brushes, markers, pencils, shop tools like a glue gun, scissors, pens, mini anvil, mortar and pestle, and then mixing and PPE equipment. And yeah, so I have most of that done now. And yet, there's still so much stuff. I think a lot of this is trash or broken, so you figure that out. But I'm really happy with my shelf. Alright, so now I'm cleaning up the studio, just straightening it up and moving a few things to the garage where I have space for them. So, here we go. Got it. I feel so much better now. So, update. We have
all matching totes on the shelf. Cleared a lot of garbage that was here. We're repurposing this basket into a bin for trash. So much space has been cleared. It's amazing. I am in love and I can't wait. My job right now is to clear off the table so my mom can sort out all the tools and such, and then we're gonna put those white shelves up there and kind of have a shelf. We're getting rid of the pegboards because we're not using them, and all our wall space is pretty much used up, so we don't really have a purpose for them, so we're gonna get rid of them. And yeah, so that's the plan right now.
As I was editing this, I thought it was really funny to see how often my cat came in and out and was watching or rolling or playing with stuff as I was cleaning. So that was cute. And right here we just have bins, and we're kind of grouping things together. So the first pass of organization, it went really well. This was a lot easier than we thought it was going to be, so that was a pleasant surprise.
So we're about to add some shelves up there. And we got shelves.
So I want to take a moment to explain the next clip that's about to pop up. I was out of town for 2 weeks, and when I got back and started working in the garage again, I wasn't recording. I kind of forgot, and I felt like I was doing little things, and so it wouldn't have mattered if I captured it. Turns out I did a lot, and we ended up finishing it. So here's the reveal.
Working in the garage. We got a lot of space opened up. And lots of stuff cleared. This is pretty organized. Just have some big things there, which I plan to move over here. And now we're just organizing this mess. So hopefully, well, now it's organized. And this one's cleared off. And we have floor. So much beautiful floor. I can now work in here. All my stuff is organized. Happy noises. So I think this concludes our garage renovation video. I'm so excited that it's done. Go, victory laugh. I can build things now. I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I got it done. Well, workable. It's not done. Still have that. But I can work. That's all that matters. So, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.